I almost bought another expensive note taking app until I found this. I've been looking for an app that feels simple, affordable, and actually enjoyable to study with. This is CollaNote app. It has wonderful features like beautiful pen selections, custom colors, and templates. I've been using Premium recently, and the extra features have been really useful for my study routine. If you love making beautiful and aesthetic notes, then you have to check out the premium version of this app. And I have the 50% discount code for you. That means it will cost only $7 for premium access with my code IMGDoc50. And if you use this code before 7 August 2026, then you'll also get 5 free limited edition pens. Now let's make some beautiful notes with this app. While other apps offer yearly subscriptions, CollaNote provides lifetime access to premium features. And I love that it provides access to stickers and templates in the premium version itself, because in other apps you have to buy them separately. Honestly, I'm having so much fun making notes in this app. Let me show you some of the notes I've made in the last 2 weeks. I've also been using the flashcard feature for active learning. Now let's look at the planner section. They do have a huge variety of built-in planners, whether it's 365-day planners, hobby planners, self-care planners, and so many more. If you don't like any of these, you can create your own, because the pen selection makes it so much more fun to write, highlight, and decorate my pages. Here you can see the various options available for making your own custom notebook, with various options for pages, a lot of different templates to make your own to-do lists, and book covers as well. Out of all of these pen options, the Starry Whale pen is my favorite one. I also tried using the lasso feature, which you can use to move your content. You can also use it to copy, cut and paste, delete the groups, restyle, and here I'm using it to convert my handwriting into text. And it did a great job. Another thing I really liked about CollaNote is that it combines a lot of study tools in one place. I can write my notes, I can use the calculator without actually leaving the app, I can set a focus timer, and even use the AI assistant whenever I need a quick explanation. It means I spend less time switching between different apps and more time actually studying. And yes, with the record feature, I can record lectures and make notes at the same time. Although it has a huge variety of sticker options available, one feature I really love is that you can generate your own stickers using a very small prompt. Finally, I'll show you how I've organized my notes. I've made these folders which I can use to store all of my notes. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Keep studying.